Backtesting every day on some profitable day, 423. So again, continuing 2024 October now. I am watching like a movie on the side, but I don't know for how long I'll be watching that. This stream. It's a really good movie so far. But I don't know, it's not really loading. But yeah, I'm gonna continue with this. 3rd of October. Notion. Already opened up Notion. Georgie, yo, how you doing, man? I was trying to... No, it's not working. Never mind. Just turn on music. That's working. Uh, 3rd of October. Which is Thursday. I take this W. Oh, it's break even. Oh yeah, this is break even. This was a crazy trade. Didn't I journal that here already? Yeah, I did. Maybe the day before was a no trading day. Yeah, it should be here. Okay. And I'm still trading PM session. Very good. How about you? Doing good as well, man. Making some food and got a notification you're streaming. What are you making? Yo, Sheriff. What's up, man? How you doing? Am I pronouncing that right? Let's see what the channel liquidity is here. Gonna do like a 40-minute session again today, and then before this I was watching a movie. I was like for like 2-3 hours I was just chilling. I dropped my girlfriend off at like 50 minutes from here. She's out with some friends, and then after this session I'm gonna pick her up again. But I was watching a movie, this one, and this one is a banger movie so far. It's a 3-hour long movie. But it was some time ago that I heard something about it, and now I'm watching it. Like, I rarely ever watch movies. But so far, it's a great movie. I thought it was far into the movie, but I'm only like an hour in. So in 2 more hours. Yeah, I'll maybe watch that tonight then. Or, no, tomorrow probably. Sleep early again because the weekend is over. Chicken soup, wife is 6 and no one to complain. Chicken soup will help though. Or yeah, I hope it will. We'll stop it does. Hope she gets better soon. I just created a YouTube channel, like my journal. Any advice? Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, with anything really, with trading as well, just stay consistent, man. That's really it. I'm just zooming in structure all this, but there's no trade there. Yeah, I might bullish or bearish. What am I even doing? I'm actually still bullish, I think, or we inverse something in here. Oh, which we did. Okay, then I'm actually bearish. Yeah, consistency is just almost everything, man. Like yesterday I was talking about that as well. Someone said that. And like the most important things, like you could say discipline, but consistency is also like discipline. But yeah, consistency is so important. But nice, man. What are you, how are you gonna document the journey? Nothing here. Nothing here. I would like to see like a big, or big, just to push higher for like a manipulation. This is not an, oh shit, it is. This high, this high. But are we still respecting this range? 2 minutes, we did close above, back below. Then we're still holding that actually. And ES, oh, we did not take the high. Oh, it might not be a trade then. Yeah, they take the range low on this, and then we inverse this. And yeah, the only thing is, if we had an SMT, then well, it would have been perfect, but we don't have an SMT in this. So that high is still open, that's the thing. Oh wait, we close back below here. And then back above, so okay, nothing now. Or no, then this was, wait. Let me check if this there is not a single one. Oh, there is, 4 minutes. I have to check this one then. Okay, let me remove this. Let me check if yes, I had that single one on a 2 minute. Check you 1 minute. Okay, so in this we did take the range low. Stepping into that gap, and then yes, yeah, that's just standing bullish. What was NQ doing? Closure above, back below, back above, and then nothing here. So here we take the range low, and higher time frame is bullish, so it's not a short. I'm waiting then. Nothing here so far. It's almost the time I kill zone now as well. Yeah, nothing here as well. Equal lows, this inverse, but how many times do we respect it? Once, twice, 3 times already. Okay, yeah. So it was 1 break even that entire day. And then Friday's NFP. Did you start this account from 0? My YouTube account? Yeah, I did. I'm going to be posting trade recaps and backtest sessions like you. Nice, okay. Nice, man. I'll try to follow it as well. We'll subscribe to you. Let's see. So here, still higher time frame is bearish, I think, for me. It's crazy candle here. Senior gap in this though. And the higher time for me still was bearish, I guess, here. Yeah, it was, or it is. Inversion here. Thanks, bro, of course. And what are you trading? What strategy? Or concepts? Or yeah, this looks pretty bullish, but I am looking for lower actually. And if we do trade higher, I'm not interested. Only if we close above this range. Just saying, gotta be 2 hour, 30 minutes actually. We don't have an SMT here. Very, very clean equal lows. And then the higher time from SMT, also no. So I'm actually still going to be bearish, even if we close above on NQ, because it's only a 30-minute chart here. Smart money concepts, nice, okay. And then what is your like entry model, you would say? Like very simply explained. Nothing here. It's like so choppy so far. We didn't have 10 AM news, right? No. We did inverse here, but didn't take any equal highs. Took out one high. Took out one high. Yeah, nothing here. Or is it second stage? Smart money reversal. Lower SPY, first stage. No. Okay. So far, nice drop though. Nothing here. Took out that high. We did fail to close above here. Turtle soup. What time is this? 10:07. So far I'm liking this, looking at this market maker model. Okay. This is a draw. This is, and even lower. Okay. And this is an entry then. Because it is above second stage distribution, definitely is. This is the inversion, fell to close above, and then because it is above second stage, I don't have to see a or see equal highs get taken in this. Break even. There's no break even at a fixed 1-1. Letting it run until there. So it's either going to be stop loss or TP. I think it looks pretty good. Let's see in this. I can remove this. Yeah. Oh, there is an open gap here. Wait, never mind. Was that 104? But TP is inside of a 105, so then this is gonna still be here. Or is this on yes? To check in this. I can let it run to here. Oh, okay. See what I did after that. Oh yeah, okay. 10:07. This is Friday, yeah. I just wait for a tap in into an order block and wait for confirmation on the 1 minute. Okay. And what's the confirmation? Price action was good for what I've seen. 10:07. News, we had NFP. Unemployment rate. Yeah. 8:30. I do have to check in this. This would have been TP anyway, but I have to check in here. So I have a open and efficiency. 1-1. Oh, it would have been a 1-1 break even. Yeah, the candle was lower. Okay, there would have been break even, but TP still. So if I wanted to look at this market maker model, yeah, that so was beautiful. 10:07 was the entry. Did I paste it already? Yeah, I don't know. I did. That's everything. Okay. Now next day, Monday, we'll be trading the London session here. Remove. Oh, not this. Remove. Yo, Ben, how you doing, man? A change in the state, or a change in the state was chocolate. Or a change of character. All right. Is it like I don't know if you know what a change in state of delivery is, but like chalk and change in state of delivery are those the same things? Is that the same thing? Like I'm using change in state delivery only on like my weekly bias, so I know like where the higher time frame wants to go to. But other than that, I don't really use it. So, And I don't know what change of character is. I just don't know the naming for it. Maybe you know? Higher time frame is now bullish, is it? Oh, it definitely is here. And where did we close below? Oh no, wait, that's bullish, but this still closed below. It might still be bearish. This inverse, well, the inversion holding there with the wicks, that's nice. But what is ES doing? Also still holding the inversion, so I'm actually bearish. Only if we close above in this range then. Like, it looks good for a higher, I would say. Like, we're now respecting this gap, we're getting wicks, but we're also creating equal highs. Yeah, I would like to see higher actually, but I have to look for shorts so far. We do have this singular 30-minute SIBI. And did we take the range low? Yes, we did. So if NQ and yes close above that gap, then I would be bullish until, yeah, the range high, which is then here, which is not that high, but you never know. So far still respecting it, so I am looking for a lower, looking for a short. There's nothing here. Maybe I'll look at 2-minute chart. Nope, so far nothing. Nice push lower. Yeah, nothing here at all. That's not a gap. So far a very nice respect in this gap. Beautiful. Yeah, and then this is a BISI that I've marked up, but I like to see this get used as an inversion because my hard time frame is bearish. Looking at this market maker model. Oh, what am I doing? Wow, this looks so clean with all these lows. But wow. Hey, let me check. Okay, that's already taken. Okay, so this is going to be a trial liquidity. First one in this market maker sell model. But then this is also a original consolidation in this market maker sell model. Let me check. 1 hour. Yeah, here. So this is then also a stage, and then nothing else in between there. So this is my first next trial liquidity, which is pretty low. I don't know if we want to go there. But yeah, I want to see the market trade towards there. And then still looking for a short. Nothing there. We did close below here. Took that high. We did take equalize. 335. But this is the range low in this. It is, right? This has to be minimum of 1-to-1. Break even. No, it's not. So it's not a trade. This might be 2 minutes. Oh, it's not even a gap. Never mind. Looked like there would have been a gap, but there's not. Okay, this could be something around here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, we didn't take this high. Oops. We take this high and then these highs. It also doesn't look so bad. And then with this high we have an SMT. And this is the inversion. And this took the liquidity here. And then this also closure below, 413, still in the kill zone. Stop goes above the high. It's my draw on liquidity, which is not taken, so that looks very nice. Sell side, and I'm going break even at, yeah, fix 1-1 in this case because there's no open gap. Okay. And then break even on ES would be here. Let's see, I think it looks pretty good, but you never know. That's break even so far. That's a break even trade. Oh, that's a stop loss. 429. Yeah, this here, the closure below, and I get stopped on a tick here. Does want to go lower after? No. Okay, so that's just a stop loss. Might be a re-entry on this. wow, the closure is crazy. And then this probably goes, yeah. That's an unfortunate stop. Or this is a break even, and then the next one is going to be a stop loss. And then after there was no re-entry. It's unfortunate. Change of character is like a change of direction of price. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will, man. No worry. Yo, hi. What's up, man? How you doing? What strategy do you use? I'm trading inverse right gaps. So example of this, we take some sort of equal highs. You can see we didn't do it here, but we did do it on the S. Relative equal highs. So this high combined with this high. I mark that out. That's the sweep then. What I want to see, and then I have to have a higher time frame buy. So in this case, I'm bearish. So with this sweep. And then this BISI getting inverted, so that tells me, okay, BISI, if we wanted to go higher, if we are bullish, then this should be respected for us to go higher. You can see we respect it, go a bit higher, get some reaction of it. But after the sweep of liquidity, we close below it, telling me, okay, this is now bearish. So then I enter with that with a market execution. My stop loss goes above the sweep. And then I enter on this, and then the 1-1, I'm going break even in this case. It depends on the trade, could be different. But I was going break even here, and then this is my target. It was a good break even in this trade, because if I didn't go break even, I would have been stopped out. Eventually went lower, but no re-entry. This is an unfortunate one, I would say. We had no news. It's London session. Entry was at 413. And then, yeah, I said there was a re-entry in here, which would have been a stop loss. I have to go check where it was again. Wait, it doesn't really matter if I take this or not. It's a break-even trade. Close below there, and then yeah, here was that re-entry. So here went higher, and then we're still respecting the range. We do have this Sibu, which we did not tap. That just tells me, okay, then maybe you want to go, or maybe then we are pretty bearish. In this on yes, there's nothing at all. Like we're nothing, respecting nothing in here. Still, we have that SMT holding from previous trade, which was like here. It's not the cleanest SMT, but it is there. But this also wasn't the cleanest most clean price action, I would say. And then here, again, we took the relative equal highs in this. That was the target TP, and then this closure below. This all looked pretty good to me, actually. 1-1 break even. But this was an instant stop loss, yeah. And then the re-entry, again, what I wanted to see then, we still have the SMT holding. And then this, I'm anticipating for this to get in first, which it did not do. Let me first take the screenshot here. Oh, we'll break even, 1L. Oh shit, it's alright. Yeah, so that L. And then on 2 minute, as I said, it has to be a singular gap. I didn't say that, but it has to be a singular gap. So in this case, you can see we have a BISI on the 1 minute, another BISI here. If I go to the 2 minute, there's a singular BISI. So then the sweep has to be on also the 2 minute chart, taking 2 minute relative equal highs, and then having 2 minute closure below, which is here. This is such a crazy closure, man. Oh my god. But it's still technically an entry, is it? Yeah, it definitely is. Because this is all balanced. There's no open and fish here. I'll go break even here, which is, yeah. Eventually, I did see the price wanted to go there. Could still be TP, but like chance is way lower now. And I always enter on where the market closes, because I don't know where this candle is going to close. I'm hoping for it to close somewhere here, so I get the best entry. But yeah, this is a crazy closure. Sometimes that happens. And there was nothing else I would target, or that I can target in here. So my TP would have been a fixed 1-1. So here I'm going break even, and this might be a break even trade. Oh, still it's a TP. Look at that. Wow. Bruh. Look at that. Like this looks perfect, but it's not what I would have targeted. Like I'm only targeting a 1-1 inside of a 1-2R. And if there is no liquidity, for now, I don't have any rule telling me, okay, I can target then a fixed 1-2 or something. Because if I look at all the trades that I've taken in multiple years, then it doesn't always work like that, 1-2. In this case, it would have, but I'm going for what works better long term. So yeah, the 1-1 still TP, which is nice. It's like it's nothing crazy, but it's all I need. Yeah, look at that closure below, man. 438. Still, that would make this day be like a break-even day because I took an L and I took a W of just 1 R. So it will be like a break-even day. Price action was decent. It was alright. And then now going to the next day, because after I take a W, then I just close the day there, then I end the day there. Or I take 2 losses on the day, then I also end the day. Go London session now, Tuesday. Also no news. See what the drawn liquidity is. Still perfectly respecting it bearish. That inversion is holding up very nicely. Here same thing, nice reaction of it. And then all this is the drawn liquidity. Still very clean. And then I see we also have an inversion in here. I see you backtest every day. Don't you already know the charts? Like you see them so often. Yeah, like if it was like that, then wow. But no, it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Like the markets are, yeah, the chances are infinite. Like what it can do, and the charts always looks the same, but it's always different. Every second, minute, day, hour, month, everything, literally everything is different. How long have you been trading? 2 years now. Was it 1 minute? You could enter on retest after the breakout. Yeah, but it's not my entry model. Like I'm trading, like I know exactly what I want to trade, and that I am now backtesting in like different years, different months, so I know how my strategy performs. Like I already know a bit how it performs, but still want to get more data on it, and then more data is always better. And for now I'm backtesting 2024. Yeah, just to get more data on my strategy, seeing how it works in different kinds of years, environments, all that. And yeah, but I already know what I am trading with the strategy, and it's very objective. And yeah, if I was trading on just like feelings, like like what you say, I can enter on this retest after this breakout because it looks so clean, then I wouldn't need a strategy. And unfortunately, that's not the case. I think that is for maybe 99% of traders. I think that's the case. You need some sort of strategy because, yeah, otherwise it's not sustainable. Like, yeah, long term, I don't think it's doable. I think not that you have to per se have to have a objective strategy, like like a strategy that tells you what to do and all that. There's of course some sort of like not objective but subjectiveness to it. But like only trading off like feelings and thinking what looks good and all that, I don't know. For me, doesn't make sense and it wouldn't work for me. So I'm just following this one strategy and then doing that only, like entering nothing else besides just the strategy. Like if my setup forms, I have to take it and yeah, can't enter on anything else. Let's see, so take nothing here, waiting, so look for lower. Okay, so now we tap the gap. We did close below here, singular gap, taking equal highs, reacting off the gap here, and we do have an SMT in this, and then reacting off this gap as well. Just a singular gap in that leg, so it looks pretty decent. I could look at ES, what ES has in this leg. Nothing there. So looking at like 2 gaps. There isn't. So 3 gaps. Doesn't really matter because NQ is already holding the gap, but I just want to mark it out. It looks clean. Where is it? Yeah, here still 5 minutes. It is respecting it, that's nice. And then yeah, 2 minute singular gap. So again here, 1 minute busy here. And 2 minutes we get a singular one, which we close above or below on this candle already. So these are the entries I like the most, because it gives me the best like RR or best possibility. But we did take equalize, looks very clean, recting off a gap, higher time frame being bearish. And then again, same idea. We had the sweep. We have a busy. If we are bullish, then I wouldn't have expected the market to close below. So this is just all telling me bearish. And yeah, it's my entry model, like I'm always explaining, but it's my entry model, so I have to take this. But in that way, how I explain it, it makes more sense, I would say. Here again, we have no open gap. It's all balanced to me, so I would go break even at a fixed 1-to-1. And then the target TP, this would have been perfect. Like, I think this looks very clean actually to go there, but you never know. Something I learned, maybe the most important thing, the market can do anything. This looks so clean. Market can do literally this, and then it can do, I don't know, this. Even though I would say this looks so obvious, but you never know, man. But yeah, I can target that then. So in this case, still looking at this market maker sell model actually. Wait, maybe I can target this low. Yes, okay, I can. What R is this? Yeah, it's still inside of A. 1 and 2. It's actually inside of A 1 of 5. And in that case, I can enter just on this without going break even at all. Only if it's inside of A 1 of 5. Which is literally, it's 148, which is crazy. So no break even, it's either TP or stop loss, and then just be the TP. So that would be nice if this gets hit, but you never know, man. This looks so clean, I would say. But we'll see. Okay. There is something that's already weird. Look at that, man. Wow, I literally explained it. Maybe I got heard on the... They heard me saying that. Look at it, man. Look at this, man. This looks so clean. The equal high is taken. This inversed. This as a clear draw on liquidity. Even this as a clear draw on liquidity. This is all balanced. And then going so close to this low. Creating equal lows. Creating more liquidity there. And then reversing off there, which is crazy. So that's an L. Crazy, man. Yo, Concord, what's up, man? How you doing? 312 was on in 2 minutes. We had no news. Alright, so I'm still trading this day. You can take max 2 loss today or 1 W day. And what are we doing? Didn't take the range low. We are going higher on NQ. This also looks pretty clean, I would say. Like all these highs, it's like a trend line. So maybe would be best. NQ looks a bit more bullish. If you have an SMT tie and then go lower, that would be perfect. But I am still looking for lower. Because, yeah, again, even though we inverse this, ES still holding this gap. So we'll see. Gonna pay our price here a bit. And then more. There's a gap there. Let me check. There's no single gap, so waiting. Manipulation higher above here would be nice. Not in here. Close below there. We did take some sort of equalize and see if we're still holding this bearish. What did we do? So yes, still respecting it, so very nice. All these highs taken now. So this is like my model in the higher time frame if there was a gap here. But equalize taken, looks very clean so far. And then this is the entry as well. 1 minute. 1 minute singular gap in this entire leg. Close below on 423. And then we took equalize. Wait, did we? Took out this high. Oh, we did. Yeah, here. Took out equalize, like equal highs. Yeah, this high and then this high. Relative equal. Just some two highs. Just 2 highs. This inversed. Even have an SMT. So again, looks pretty good. Yes, still respecting the gap. NQ isn't, so I'd like to see. This was just a deeper retracement, even though it looks that close to this high. Like these highs are now also so clean. But again, it's a trade. I have to take this. It's my setup. Where am I going break even? That'll be in this. Open gap. Entry at 423. It is inside my kill zone. What am I targeting? It will be, in this case, fix 1-1 because there's no liquidity in here. If there's a swing low in this, which there isn't, lower time frame would be. Still, I think this is outside of it 1 or 2. Oh no, it isn't. Okay, wait, let me check. Smart money reversal. First stage, second stage. Oh no, then it isn't. No, never mind. This is, but that's outside of the 1-1. Or inside of it. So that 1-1 is, yeah, not break even because I would just be taking full TP there. But open gap after this, that would be, yeah, that low one, yes. Okay, let's see. Diff wants to go, only targeting the 1-1, but you never know. Oh no. Another S&T tie. Oh shit, man. Got destroyed on this day. Crazy, okay. 423, 2 L's on this day. So unfortunate, man. I don't know. Haven't really liked the London sessions, but now it sounds like an excuse. But I should just check out the data, how the London session is performing. So far in this year already, it's not great, but I've checked that recently already as well. Like, because I said that like a month ago as well. But I should just look at the data and see how it actually is. Because if the London session is profitable, then if I think it's not profitable, if I think it's bad, but it is profitable, then yeah, then it doesn't matter, of course. Price action still, I would say I just had wrong channel liquidity. Looking at it from another point of view, wasn't so bad. Yeah, liquidity taken, yeah, okay. Still, my model would have been here, I think. Equal lows, inversion, closure above. But just the wrong channel liquidity sometimes happens as well, just the wrong bias. Did I already copy this? I forgot, I did. Yeah, so 1L or 2Ls. I can check here, so oh, it's not in New York, it was London. I want to check in this year already, so I can do time zone. London, I can see these 2 days that I just backtested. 1L, 1W. 1W, 1L, 1W. Nothing too crazy so far. 1W, 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 1L, 1W. 1L, 1W. WL. Why did I took one trade? 1W, 1W, 1L. WW, 1L, 1W. And nothing here. So actually looks pretty good. I didn't count, but I think it was profitable. I saw more W's than losses. Now going to New York though. FOMC meeting minutes. I'm trading the entire day. Let's go. Bruh, already. Oh my god. Sometimes I look at the time of the stream and time goes so quick, man. I'm doing a 40-minute session today because I have to pick up my girlfriend. I have to drive in 10 minutes. Then I'll be on time. I have to be on time because it's dark outside. She's in a big city now. It's like a 45-minute drive, so yeah, 1 more minute of backtesting. Do I do 1 more day? I don't think so. Yeah, let me just look at the data and I'll see what I had done here and how this month so far is going. Yeah, let's see. So October now actually another drawdown, 0.75%. I'm risking 1% per trade, so it's not that bad. It's just 1 L so far in the month. It's going very slow. Definitely because of these 2 L's that I've just taken. I can count actually. I'll count. So 2 L's. Okay, I won't count this. Okay, I won't count. Okay, 2 L's. I won't count this again. Okay, 2 1. I won't count that. 2 2. So 2 wins, 2 losses. 2 3. 2 4. This is still a W day. I got more profit, so 2.5. That's the same day. 3.6. 3.7. 4.7. 4.8. Is that the same day? Yeah. 4.9. Also W 5.10. 6.10. Alright, 6 tens. So far I've taken 10 W's and 6 losses, which is profitable just already from this year. It's not a lot of RR, but still it's profitable. So if it's like 1-2 RR more, then of course I would say, okay, I'm just scrapping London session, because that means I have to trade less, and still I wouldn't make much more. So yeah, if I can trade less in the future when I'm trading full time, then I would have more time, so I can spend more time with, I don't know, future family, my my current family, of course, which won't change in the future. It's still gonna be the same family, but can spend more time with family, girlfriend, friends, all that. So yeah, if it's not that much or more, then I'll scrap it off what I'm trading. But this is only 1 year. 6.10, what did I say? 6.10 or something, 5.10, I don't know. But yeah, I would have to check at multiple years, like 6 years, or I don't even know. Maybe if I can do 10 years, I'll do 10 years. But I think I only have like 6-7 years of data, full years of data. Yeah, so end the session here. Thank you for watching. Have a good night or a nice day. 2 people watching. Don't know who you guys are. Maybe Concor and Dylan. Maybe still here. Yeah, I don't know if it is you guys, but either. Anyway, thank you for watching, and good night. See ya. Ciao.